Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to discussion about most important English sentence. If you want to learn English, this video is very important for you. So let's be start. First sentence is, what is your name? My name is Rohan. My name is Rohan. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. How old are you? I am 20-year old. I am 20-year old. Where do you live? I live in Dehradun. I live in Dehradun. Please like this video. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading book. My hobby is reading book. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. What time do you get up? I get up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6 o'clock. Do you like coffee or tea? I like tea. I like tea. Are you married? No, I'm a single. No, I'm a single. Do you speak English? Yes, I little. Yes, I little. What do you study? I study biology. I study biology. What is your father name? My father name is Mr. Sharma. My father name is Mr. Sharma. What is your mother name? My mother name is Mr. Sharma. My mother name is Mr. Sharma. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music. Which sport do you like? I like cricket. I like cricket.